Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and eliminating power risk. That protects electronics and you. Put on an ESD strap and remove the battery or unplug the laptop. Static kills components. Once done, clear a well-lit work area and sort screws into labeled piles. Use a Phillips #00 and a thin spudger to open the case. Only remove the minimum screws now. You do this to keep alignment and avoid lost fasteners. A neat start speeds the repair and reduces rework. You now expose the card reader by removing the bezel and working inward. Pry clips gently so you don't snap plastic tabs. Once the assembly is visible, disconnect any ribbon cables and unscrew the reader mounting screws. Keep track of which screw goes where. When the reader is free, inspect the switch mounting. Note its orientation and solder pad layout. Desolder or unclip the old switch carefully so you preserve traces and alignment. This prevents connector stress during reinstallation. You install the replacement switch by matching orientation and solder pad positions. Use minimal solder and avoid bridging pads. Once the new switch is firm, reattach the reader, reconnect the ribbon cable, and reinstall screws in reverse order. Make sure connectors sit flush before snapping the bezel back. Power up the device and insert an SD card to confirm detection. If it fails, reseat the ribbon, recheck solder joints, and try another card. This troubleshooting tip isolates mechanical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.